months now. You guys have seen all the other videos, you guys know the situation. Nothing will compare to having the keys in my hand, doing the final walkthrough, everything is great, and I move in tomorrow. I am beside myself right now. I'm sweating, I shouldn't even be showing that, but excuse my pit stains. I know I said in a recent video that I wanted to do a empty apartment tour. From this video on, things are gonna be a little different. And maybe they won't even look very different to you guys, but in my head, I'm doing things differently. And I wanna be very intentional about that, and I wanna say it in this video so you guys know, so that there's no confusion. You can leave comments about it, but this is how it's gonna be going forward. I am going to be keeping a few things private, more private in my life. Up until this point, I have taken you guys through so much of my life, and obviously that's a part of YouTube that I love so much, and I'm still going to be showing you guys a lot, like don't even worry about that. One, for safety reasons, and two, making sure that I'm prioritizing my mental health in the social space. I will be showing you guys little bits and pieces. Don't get me wrong, that will happen. There are things that I do want to keep private, so I'll leave it at that for now. We have to go back in time, and we have to go to the beginning. I want to explain how I found this apartment, because I know my very last apartment hunting video revealed 6 apartments. I didn't disclose which one I was in. First off, I found this apartment by myself, which I'm very, very proud of. I went on StreetEasy, Zillow. I went on a ton of different websites, but I found this one specifically listed on StreetEasy. Reached out immediately. I got an appointment to view that next day. The journey was really stressful. However, I'm such an optimist. I want to believe in the best in every situation. That has led me to get this apartment. I applied for 2 apartments in that video. Did not know which one I was gonna get, and I actually thought that I was going to not get approved. I don't even understand why I thought that, but it's such a limiting belief. So I panicked and paid a deposit for a completely other apartment, guys. So that's some tea that I'm sharing with only you guys. I did put in a deposit for a completely other apartment that was not this apartment. Thank God I was able to get that deposit back, because that was a lot of money. I did get approved for this one. This one was the one I wanted, my top choice. I don't know why, I doubted myself, but the universe said, no, this is your apartment and you are getting this experience. I've never had this type of experience so far. Whoever has been watching my journey thus far, you guys know that I've had some non-negotiables, but then also in a perfect world, I would want this. I'm going to list off everything that I have in this new apartment and in the building. These are things I'm really happy about because I stuck to my gut, went through this grueling process, and it obviously paid off because I get a lot of the things I want. Like, I'm literally directly just looking into the sky. So I am in Manhattan. That's all I'm gonna share though. I'm really happy about that. As much as I looked into the other boroughs, Manhattan really speaks to my soul. In Manhattan are like this. Don't get me wrong, I literally looked in other boroughs. The universe said, you're staying in Manhattan, so here we are. I'm close to the train. I did say in my other videos, a non-negotiable is I have to be at least 2 blocks away from a train station. For safety, for accessibility, transportation. I have a tub and a bigger bathroom, and I cannot wait to take baths, do a whole self-care routine in there, and I can do my makeup in the bathroom now. Things that I did not have for the last 14 months. I'm not on the ground floor. That was a non-negotiable. It's more of a safety thing. I'm, 1, not on the ground floor, and 2, I am high up enough that I have an unobstructed view of the city. I just never thought I would get that, and like that's been on my vision board and dreams list forever. With that being said, I am in an elevator building. I've never, ever been in an elevator building ever in my life. I feel like all of these years of my adulthood where I was in walk-ups, nothing wrong with that. I think it was like preparing me for this moment of getting an elevator building. I have a big kitchen, humongous counter space, so many cabinets, microwave built in, stainless steel appliances throughout, nice sink, a nice stove. I am south-facing, I have south-facing light. That was a non-negotiable. Why? Because I am a full-time content creator, and that is extremely important for my job, but not only my job, my well-being and my happiness relies on getting natural light. Stunning, and I'm so excited not only to shoot more content in here, but really just to like spend more days here. Multiple closets. 3 closets in this apartment, way more than the closet space I had in my other apartment. Journey of organization, really curating the space to make it exactly what I want. I have laundry and building. That for me is another luxury. Even having laundry in your building, which is such a convenience, and I'm so thankful for that. I didn't have that all the last 14 months. This is the most exciting thing. I do have a city view. I've never had a city view in my life. I can see Manhattan. I'm beside myself. So blown away. This is where my next chapter has taken me. Oh my gosh, I'm not trying to cry, but there's so much to be thankful for. There's so much to be thankful for. And I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys came along this journey with me. It technically is just beginning. You guys saw that journey, but now we're going into a new journey. For the people who've been here for all these stages of my life, thank you. It's kept me going. Your encouragement, words, and affirmation, advice has meant everything to me. Helped me become a better creator. It's helped me become a better person. The universe really did say, this is your next chapter, and enjoy it and live it to the fullest. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. The only thing that I did not get in this apartment, this is a studio. I'm looking forward to creating and crafting this space and making it so cozy and welcoming and my own. You guys are coming with me on that journey. I want this to be so fun for both of us, for all of us. You and me, we are going to craft the perfect space. I have so many ideas. Last thing I wanted to just chat about are some recommendations and tips. I think one of my subscribers told me I have 11 or 12 videos about my apartment hunt search, which is a lot. Throughout the past 3.5 months, this has been a whirlwind, and I've learned so much about myself. I've learned what I like and what I don't like. I learned about landlords, and I learned about brokers, and I learned about the laws. I wanted to impart some knowledge that I learned. Start your search early. I started very early, but why I did is because I didn't have this experience when I moved to New York. Clearly, I'm an example that you do not need a broker. Yeah, you don't need a broker, okay? You can do this on your own, and I hope by me sharing this journey, I'm empowering you guys to realize that you can do it on your own. You don't have to go as early as I did. I just did that because I wanted to see so many different types of apartments to really get a sense of what I liked. I would say, rule of thumb, at least 1 month ahead, just to put out feelers, start doing a ton of tours, and you will be just fine. Another tip is find your non-negotiables. Everyone has a non-negotiable. I do not care what you think, everyone has a non-negotiable. So figure out what your non-negotiable is and stick to it. One of my subscribers literally said in one of my videos, hold out for the tub, hold out for the natural light, hold out for not being on the first floor. And here we are, I did it. Hold out for what you want, that's extremely important. Sell some items and get new ones. As you guys have seen in my last few videos, I'm selling most of my stuff and I'm starting over. And I think it just brings a new aura to the space. It brings new energy for the space. Starting new is a beautiful thing. It allows me to let go of some of the things that weren't serving me so I can make room for new things, and I'm all about that. The other things I wanted to just say about the apartment really quickly is I do not have to pay a broker fee, which I'm so thankful for. I know in a lot of other videos I was running through the prices with you guys, the broker fees and the security deposit. I got very lucky, and I know that my luck met my effort. I did not just sit around. I have YouTube to prove that. Like, I was in the trenches, okay? This took a lot of work, but it definitely paid off. I'll be very transparent here. Working for myself and my income being not as super consistent, being able to still get this amazing apartment, not have to pay a broker fee. All I had to pay was my 1 month's rent. And I got to use Rhino. If you don't know what Rhino is, it is a third-party guarantor, and you can pay security deposit there. You can do a lot of stuff with Rhino, and a lot of landlords accept Rhino. So that's another tip I would say. Finding for an apartment, ask about Rhino. Although I am keeping my location on the DL for my own peace and safety, I want to let you guys know I live in a good area. This area is a lot more quiet and slow paced. Gives me that peace that I have been craving, but I'm still within the city limits and can get anywhere I need to go. That is the best of both worlds for me. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Happy and thankful for having this experience, embarking on this brand new journey. The best is truly yet to come. I'm so excited. I'm so ready. I cannot wait to take you guys along. Make sure to subscribe if you are new here. Thumbs up this video as well. And I will see you guys in my